A beginner investor using AI-powered financial tools on a digital platform. Investing can be complex and overwhelming, but artificial intelligence is making it easier for beginners to enter the financial world. AI is transforming how people invest, analyze markets, and manage risk. In this guide, we explore how AI can help beginners navigate investments, make informed decisions, and maximize returns while minimizing risks. Understanding AI in investing. AI is revolutionizing the investment world by processing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making real-time decisions. What AI does in investing: analyzes market trends and stock performance, automates trading through AI-powered bots, provides risk assessment and diversification strategies, uses machine learning to predict market movements, helps investors make data-driven financial decisions. Benefits for beginners: reduces the complexity of investing, offers data-backed recommendations, enhances portfolio diversification, helps minimize emotional decision-making, improves efficiency with automated investing, AI-powered investment platforms, popular AI-driven investment apps and robo-advisors in action. AI-driven platforms are changing how beginners invest by providing automated and intelligent financial solutions. Top AI investment tools: robo-advisors, automated platforms that manage portfolios based on user preferences. AI stock screeners, tools that analyze stock market data and trends. Machine learning trading bots, algorithms executing trades based on predictive analytics. AI-powered research tools, platforms offering data-driven investment insights. Sentiment analysis software, AI evaluating news, social media, and financial reports. Low-cost investment solutions, personalized investment strategies, data-driven decision-making, automated portfolio management, access to real-time market insights. AI and stock market investing, AI analyzing stock charts and providing recommendations. AI is enhancing stock market investing by improving accuracy, speed, and efficiency. How AI helps stock investors. Technical analysis, identifies trends and patterns in stock movements. Fundamental analysis, assesses financial statements and market conditions. Predictive modeling, uses historical data to forecast stock prices. Real-time trading, executes trades at optimal prices with algorithmic strategies. Risk management, monitors volatility and suggests diversification tactics. Things beginners should consider: AI tools provide recommendations but require human oversight. Market conditions can be unpredictable. Even for AI, diversification remains key to reducing risk. AI models improve over time but are not infallible. Always review AI-generated insights before making financial decisions. AI and cryptocurrency investing, AI-powered crypto trading bots analyzing the volatile digital market. AI is becoming a powerful tool in cryptocurrency investing, helping traders navigate the highly volatile market. AI applications in crypto investing, automated trading bots executing buy-sell orders based on trends. AI sentiment analysis, tracking market sentiment from news and social media. Risk assessment models predicting crypto volatility. AI-based arbitrage strategies exploiting price differences across exchanges. Portfolio rebalancing tools, optimizing crypto asset allocations. Pros and cons of AI in crypto investing. Pros: helps manage crypto volatility, analyzes vast amounts of blockchain data, reduces emotional decision-making, provides real-time trading opportunities. Cons: AI models struggle with extreme market fluctuations. Algorithmic trading may lead to unexpected losses. AI tools require monitoring and adjustments. No AI model can perfectly predict market trends. AI in real estate and other investments. AI analyzing real estate prices and alternative investment markets. AI is not limited to stocks and crypto. It's also changing how people invest in real estate, commodities, and other assets. AI algorithms predicting property price trends. Automated property valuation models. AI-driven rental income projections. Predictive analysis for real estate market cycles. AI-powered real estate crowdfunding platforms. Other investment areas. Using AI. Commodities market analysis. AI-driven ETFs, exchange-traded funds, predictive analytics for bond investments, AI-generated financial reports for investment strategies, AI-powered peer-to-peer lending risk assessment, risks and limitations of AI investing, a balanced perspective on AI investment risks and challenges. While AI enhances investing, it is not without risks. Beginners must understand its limitations and potential pitfalls. Common AI investing risks. Over-reliance on AI can lead to poor decision-making. Market unpredictability can override AI predictions. Algorithmic biases may skew investment recommendations. AI models require constant updates and monitoring. Cybersecurity risks associated with AI-powered investment platforms. How to minimize AI investing risks. Always combine AI insights with personal research. Diversify your investment portfolio. Regularly review AI-based strategies and adjust as needed. Be aware of AI biases and data limitations. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. Investors using AI tools wisely, balancing automation with human oversight. AI is transforming investing, making it more accessible, data-driven, and efficient for beginners. From automated trading to portfolio management, AI offers powerful tools to enhance financial decision-making. However, successful investing still requires knowledge, risk awareness, and human judgment. By leveraging AI wisely and staying informed, beginners can build a strong investment foundation for long-term financial success.